Hi, I am Sridhar Kumaravalli. I welcome you all to this cartooning session. First of all, I would like to say a few words about myself. I am actually a retired bank manager turned cartoonist. I had this passion for cartooning from my childhood. So I have been doing lots of sessions for children like you everywhere in Bangalore. I would have conducted at least 100 talk shows till now in different parts of Bangalore. Cartooning has been my passion since childhood, but I started regular cartooning only after voluntary retirement from State Bank of India in the year 2010. So I started cartooning only from 2011. One fine day, I drew a cartoon and it was a hit in Facebook. This was during May 2011. So from then on, friends started asking me to draw more and more cartoons, and that's how I draw cartoons, because ultimately you should be able to reach out to more people and make them happy as a cartoonist. That is my goal. So I have been able to reach out to very many people throughout the country and also abroad in various parts of the world, and it gives me great satisfaction when people comment on my works and say that they had a good laugh. So cartooning is fun, and when you create something, it is pure joy. To be very honest, we can't create, God has created everything, but at least we are bringing life to some few lines here so that they speak to the world at large. So that is the purpose of a cartoonist. Techniques of basic cartooning. Okay. Before that, we must understand what a cartoon is. Cartoon is nothing but a depiction of an idea in a humorous way. Okay. See, for example, just see how I draw. Some two characters are talking to each other, and then you give one caption. So, now when two characters are talking, you can give one caption. That caption is very important because therein lies the humor. Okay, so this is called a cartoon. Before we proceed further, I will teach you simple techniques so that you can easily draw. Okay. First of all, we must have something known as warming up, just like how you have in cricket sessions, you have some practice session. So like that, in cartooning also you must have something called warming up. So you just draw lines like this. You can draw all kinds of lines. This will help you get a free hand. And one more thing, I have observed that most people who want to draw hold this too near. Please don't hold your sketch pen or pencil very near the bottom tip. So what you should do, you should always hold it in a way where you are comfortable. See, you can draw all these kinds of lines. These help you a lot in cartooning. Because cartooning is nothing but creating a figure, drawing strokes out of various angles. Just see how easy it is. So like this we go about it, but you have to practice a lot. Initially it will be very boring, but once you start drawing cartoons, you will really enjoy that. So I taught you the first step, that is draw a straight line, then a wave, curve, and some lines like this. Just draw as many as you can per day so that you get a free hold of the lines, because you should have control over your lines. That is very important in cartooning. Okay. So now In this lesson, since it's just an introduction to cartooning, I don't want to concentrate too much on other aspects. I will teach you very simple techniques. For example, how to draw a cartoon from a date. So for example, today's date is 27th. Okay, 27 4 20. Now how do we draw a cartoon out of this? Just 2. Okay, 7 0 4. Just please observe carefully. See, out of 27 we have got a very funny character. Then 0. This is a wife and husband. They are discussing something. See how simple it is. If you found that was too fast, I'll be a bit slow. Okay? Start from 1. 1. Okay? So what do we do with this 1? There are various things you can do with 1. Just put one more line. Simple 3. Because you'll be using these kind of things in your cartoon, because a cartoon covers a wide range of subjects. It's not just one or two items. You have to draw various items in a cartoon. Okay, next we draw 2. 2, as I showed you, you can even make the face this side. It all depends on our creativity. Okay, if you found that too difficult, let me rub it off. I'll show you how to draw a cartoon with 2. Okay, I have drawn 2. Now just put one ulta C. Okay, and then you put one line. See, we already got an expression. Cartooning is all about expressions. See, we have got an expression. Okay, next we shall go to 3. See, this is how you draw a 3 normally. It is not that you have to use 3 exactly like this for drawing, because what I am showing you is only a guidance. Okay, so we draw 3 like this also. That is possible. See how easy it is. This is a small 3 and this is almost like a repeat of the 3. Four. So simple. Okay. It's not that you should do only this with 4. If you are creative, you can think of a different idea. 5. I am drawing the number in one color and the rest of it in another color, so that you can know what are the additions I need. By the way, I draw bald man simply because it is easy. That's all. Okay? You can give lots of hair, not an issue at all. Okay, you are happy with 5. We start with 6 now. 6 is a very beautiful number, very, very creative. You can do so many things with it. Just see. Even though I am not sitting very comfortably, I am still able to get the cartoon effect. That is because I have got practice. So even if you practice, you can do good cartooning. See, I'll show you one more thing with 6. Okay, just put a reverse 6 and then you just put like this, zigzag lines. Here, I don't teach everything because your creativity should not be spoiled. See how easy it is? Okay, we now move to 7. 7 is another easy number to play with. See, this is why I asked you to practice the oval shape or circle shape. For the ear, you can always put a ulta C. See, if you just want to give hair, this is simple. And here you can even put a ulta, lying down 3. See how we make use of the numbers too. Numbers, numerals, numbers, alphabets to get the required effect. Ultimately, you must be able to produce a funny face. Okay? The moment somebody sees your cartoon, they should find out that it is drawn by you. You should have that signature style. Okay? 8 is another favorite number. See, with 8 you can do so many things. As if lady is having a very stylish sunglasses. Okay? You can do so many things with the numbers. I am deliberately fast in drawing because I don't want you to copy everything. I am only suggesting the idea. Okay? Next we'll go to 9. See 9? So easy it is. In fact, you can combine 9 and 10. This was 9. This can be 10. That's all. See, 10. See, I am able to give you different kinds of expressions. Because I practice a lot. I draw cartoons daily. So if you want to be a cartoonist or any artist for that matter, practice is a must. You must practice daily, at least for 15-20 minutes, so that you get the feel of the subject that you are going to draw, and then you can slowly increase the time as and when you get it. Okay? Happy cartoon.